matters of rights, I see no appetite from the NRM to participate. The other day you saw how Honorable Akamba was arrested, not even like a chicken thief. Grabbed. The tendency from my experience here is for our colleagues from NRM to think violations are limited to us. I told you here at the beginning of this parliament, I was in B2 in Maxon, where former Vice President Gilbert Bukenya had been a resident, where the Honorable Jim Mwezi had been a resident, the Honorable Mike Mukula, Vice Chairman of NRM, had been a resident. You need to understand how President Museveni works. Many of you, one by one, you will find yourself in prison. You can sit here comfortably because they are talking about Besigye, his opposition. That Besigye we are talking about was the one treating Museveni. Nearly Museveni died in Ruwero, but Besigye treated him. This is how he's paying him. This is how he will pay you. You can pretend.
When we were passing the Public Order Management Act, that time, I remember the architects thought it was going to apply to members on this side. But as fate would have it, the architects of that law were the first victims.
I was grabbed from here and dragged by police for protesting. The Honorable Mambaz complained here why I was not taken to the disciplinary committee of parliament. I saw him on TV being grabbed by the collar in Ginger. So this is a very serious matter. When rights are, that's universal. Mr. Speaker, I raised here the issue of Dr. Besigye being kidnapped from Nairobi, where he had gone to attend the book launch of the Honorable Martha Karua. That is more than, it was on December, it was November. 2 months later, the statement hasn't been brought. The Honorable Mujuche is raising the issue of continuing to violate his rights even when he's in prison. The Attorney General has been summoned, the Deputy, I don't know, has gone where, and all these good people are just looking at us. So why are you in government if you are of no value to Parliament? That they are raising issues. I have seen the Honorable Nankabirwa here when she was Chief Whip. Every matter you raised, she would excuse herself for 5 minutes and she brings an answer. Today they are all seated. Wait for your day.